guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are going to do a Morphe haul. Now this Morphe haul was the Mitchell collaboration with Morphe, and I just saw it advertised and I thought, okay, I'll give it a go, and I went for the whole collection. So that is what we're going to go through today, as you can see right here. So in this collab you have, it's called the 24 main event, and it's got 24 shades that top the chart. So this is the palette. I'll just take it out of the packaging. It's like a midnight blue. That's how you say it. Loving the packaging anyway. So here is the packaging. Oh wow. And oops, I nearly broke them. And there is the palette. How gorgeous are that? So we've got shimmers, glitters, matte satins, I think. So should we do a quick swatch and see what we think of the colours? I'm loving the style of the mirror. Hi. So yeah, that's a really nice mirror. I like the fact that it's not all around it. It's quite cute. It's like a little picture frame mirror. So we're going to go in with the first row of shades, and we're going to go first in with Free Spirit. That's a nice highlighter shade. Then Acoustic. Then we're going to go Wild Child. So this is a glitter one. I'm swatching very well, but I think it's because it's maybe glitter. Then we're going to go in with Abbey. I like those, they're very natural. And then we're going to go in with Secret Gig. So that's what those look like. The next row is Avalon. I like this colour, it's like a bronzy shimmer. Then we've got Wellies. Then we have TBA, which is a pink glitter. Look at that. Gorgeous. Then we have 1970. Oh, it's like a burnt orange. Then we have Sacred, which we'll put on here. Okay, so that's them there. And then that's the last one there, which is a really nice, it's like a raspberry red. Okay, then we have Legends, another glitter. Then we have Silver Haze. Oh, that's a nice silver metallic. You don't really see that colour around much, do you? That's gorgeous. Then we have Supersonic. Oh wow, they're gorgeous. And then we have Fair, which is another glitter. How gorgeous are those? So these are very like going out eyeshadow colours, I'd say. Okay, so going on to the fourth row, we have Somerset, which is like a yellowy gold. Ooh. Then we have Whirl. Then we have Pyramid. Then Tippy. I like that name. Then Greenfield, going with the thumb. Okay, so that's what those shades are there. They're gorgeous as well. And then on the last line, which is this one down here, so we're going into like the autumny colours. Act 1, Act 2, the headliners. Act 1, Act 2, Act 3, Act 4. Wonder what that does. So it's got a something plus colour. I wonder what that means. I have to check it out and have a look. So we've got Act 1, which is, we'll put it here. Then we've got Act 2. Maybe that's the colour of the shades. Then we've got Act 3. Act 4. And then we've got Act 5, which is black, which is that. So that's the last row there. They're absolutely, that is actually quite a nice palette. Some of the shades, I think I'll have to give it a swatch again and see if they work out well. But if you want me to do a look using this palette, then I will be happy to do that. That is a really nice palette. And then next up, we have the lip hits. So Be a Hit Maker. Every lip look is kiss perfect with these deeply pigmented long wearing lip crowns. Finding lip crowns are really in at the minute, everybody. Hey guys, so it's a few days later. So when I was recording the Morphe and Mitchell collaboration video, my battery ran out and I didn't have a chance to re-record. So I am now coming back to you, sharing with you the Morphe collab with Mitchell. So you've all obviously checked out the palette because I've shown you that already. And here it is. We've gone through the swatches and everything like that, and I think we've got to the part of the lip pencils, which I think I was saying that lip crayons are really in at the minute. So you've got 3 different shades of lip crayons, and obviously they're nudes, which we love. So So this is the first one, which I absolutely love. It's nice and light, and this is in the shade NSFW. Okay, then we have TLC, which is a slightly darker one, and then we have ASAP, which is brown. Take it off. Well, that's a nice winter colour, that is. So they are the lip crayons, and I think I was saying that lip crayons are really in at the minute, and I'm absolutely really enjoying them as well. Then next up we have in here is a bum bag, which is really cute. So it's like a blue clear bum bag, and I didn't realise that it came with the brush pencils as well. So this is either gonna, I'll ask my sisters if any of them want it. If they don't, then I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. Now the giveaway is if as soon as we hit 3,000 followers on my Instagram and 500 subscribers on the YouTube channel. So if you aren't already following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. The quicker we get to 3,000 and 500 subscribers on YouTube, then I can share this big massive giveaway with you guys. And I hope you guys are enjoying all of my vloggers videos. I'm uploading every single day throughout the whole of August, so you guys better be enjoying it. Let me know which is your favourite video so far, or if you need to go and catch up, just click playlist, vloggers playlist, and they're all there for you. Okay, so the last part of the Mitchell collab is 6 brushes that works the crowd. So in here are his brushes. It is a really cool idea. So let me just take these out. I think that's it. Yeah, and then it's just another bum bag to go with that. In fact, I might even give them to the boys, because there's one each then. See if they like that. Okay guys, so my second camera's died, and now we have come to the phone. I'm so sorry about this. I have been extremely busy recording all day today, so that's probably why, because I've been so busy and everything is running out. So I need to put that on to charge, and hopefully we can get to the end of this video before my phone dies, but it is fully charged, so hopefully that won't be for a while. So like I said, we'll go back into the Mitchell brushes, and this is what came with part of his collaboration with Morphe. And you've got 6 or 7, I think it was. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 brushes, and they are all eye brushes. Okay, here it is. And it's a 6-piece brush collection belt bag. And what do we have? So we've got so this is a silicone glitter packer brush. I was wondering what that was. So it's like a silicone brush. You guys can see that there. I'm loving the colour. It's like a gunmetal. It's like a gunmetal grey, or like a blue. It's really nice. Got that one. Then we've got a firm shadow brush, which I'm presuming is this one. And I've got Morphe on there. Then we've got a Pro Firm Blending Fluff Brush. So that was the fluff. This is the fluff brush, I think. And then we've got a Crease Precision. Okay, so no, this was the Firm Shadow Brush. And then that was the fluffy Crease Precision Blending Blur. Oh, I don't know. Then we've got the Bent Liner Brush. So that's for eyeliner, liquid liner, which is really handy. And then we've got a Blunt Smudger Brush. So that's to really pack it in. And that's what comes in the belt bag. And these are still available on the website, so go and check that out. I'll leave that down below so you guys can go and have a look. But yeah guys, that is all of the Morphe Mitchell collaboration. I'm sorry it's taken like 3 different cameras and takes to get this camp video done, but it's done. We can go. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in guys, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.